Good morning, people. Today we're doing a short hike in my neighborhood in Longquanyi. We're just gonna go up the mountain. It's not a long hike, but it's a nice hike up to the viewing platform. Now, it's not the clearest day for the viewing platform, but if you come up here on a nice clear day, if you get up early, you can see Snow Mountain. Sometimes you can see the Four Sisters, but as I said, you have to check the weather to see if the clear skies and no pollution. Usually the best time to do it is if it rains the night before, and then you check the weather report and you know it's going to clear up. We will have clear skies, so yeah, always check the weather reports. So yeah, we're gonna do this hike. I'm just going around by the lake now where the start is. Sometimes I go fishing here, but there's not a lot of fish. And you'll notice that in China, they're not catch and release. These guys are fishing for food. Yeah, they take out the fish and take them home. Now, I wouldn't advise that. It's not the cleanest lake. All this water is coming off the mountain. And remember, there's a lot of peach groves on the mountain, and they use a lot of chemicals. So yeah, not the cleanest lake, but people do swim in the lake as well in the morning. Alright, let's continue in this bright sunny day. So the first area after the lake is this little farm here. Now, I do buy some vegetables from here. It's community, so you can actually get a little plot of land here and grow your own vegetables. So you see all the lettuce and cabbage. Look at the size of them. So yeah, these little community plots, you can grow your own veg, and then people will sell it on this route in the morning. So, obviously different season, different types of vegetables. So yeah, we do buy vegetables from here. And then you got all these plots here. So you can rent these plots from the government. Now obviously there are a few farms as well. This farmhouse here has been renovated. It used to look really bad, run down, but someone's done it up really nice. It's a good spot actually, because you're the only house here. Now, I have seen people stealing vegetables early in the morning. Please don't do that. Yeah, I got going into direct sunlight now. It's a nice little farmhouse. I'd like that. Nice plot of land. Ooh. So this whole hike is paved. Nice steps for you. This is probably the hardest bit. So this is the real start of the hike. You walk around the lake, past the little farm, through a restaurant. Now, not through the restaurant itself, but through the restaurant car park, and then you get to this the path. Oh, look at these flowers. Spring comes early in Chengdu, I tell you. Beautiful. Come on, let's go. Oh, I'm out of breath. I take my hat off of everything. I need to get fit. It's the top of the first path. Usually a lady here selling drinks. Now you can go that way, the wooden path. I prefer to take this stone steps route. It takes you out to a better location. Alright, so I'm just going to rest for a minute. I'm so unfit. I've got to get fit. Lose weight. Alright, let's continue. Now I stopped my walk for half an hour. I found a Rufous-Capped Babbler. Now, what does that mean? It's a bird, basically. I like to do bird photography on my days off. Why? It basically just relaxes me. You know, some people do yoga, some people do meditation, fishing, whatever. I like to go photographing just sort of big Chengdu magpie. I like to do bird photography. Just relaxes me. Now it's probably the most challenging photography for me. You know, I've done every kind of photography, but I find that bird photography is the most rewarding and frustrating. So yeah, I stopped for half an hour to photograph this bird, which I will post in the video. Pardon my hair, I had my hat on. Alright, let's keep hiking. Reached the top of the reviewing platform, and as you can see, it's just polluted. So on a clear day, you can see the whole of Chengdu. You can see Snow Mountain. If it's super clear, you can see the Four Sisters. There's a new hotel over here. All this land has been taken by the government. This was all farmland down there before. Well, I'm going to walk back that way. Alright, so how long did it take me, this walk? 4 kilometers. So I don't know how long because I stopped for a while. Alright, so I'm walking back a different route, hopefully quicker. I won't be stopping to take any photographs. I'm in the bright sunlight. This whole road is being revamped. I don't know why they keep revamping the whole area. I liked it when it was farms on this bit of the path. There used to be a beautiful old cherry tree just there, and you could just park down there, get out some chairs and have a nice cup of coffee. But now look at it, look at the road, ripped apart, all for tourism. The problem is though, it doesn't bring much money to the local farmers, the peach farmers, to be honest. Alright, so if I see anything exciting on this route, I will video it. If not, this is the end. It's at the end of the hike now. I just wanted to show you this. It's a sausage factory. Yeah, all these sausages are the winter sausages in Chengdu. Different variations. Look how many there are. You got the ducks as well. So these are spicy. Sorry, chickens.
Have you tasted this? Have you
对
even
对
tasted this?
对，
哦，好吃不？你觉得自带味？
好吃好吃。
你喜欢啥味道？
对，太贵了。
太贵了，自己做。
Loads. Alright, so I'll leave you with the sausage factory. Bye.